this week we accomplished a few milestones. The first one, and probably more important, is that the gas installation is already finished. So we have new galvanized pipe from the gas meter, and it's now very straight, nice and neat, going to all the places, appliances, where it needs to go. The second thing we accomplished is rough-in inspection, and we passed it now that we could hold the pressure and we don't have leaks. And the third thing is that we finish insulation inside the new laundry room that we are building. And we also went a little bit beyond by insulating also the roof line above the existing kitchen, so above that area, so hopefully they have better energy efficiency in this area of the house. Next week we're going to be installing drywall and continue with interior finishes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.